So I finally got around to building my own flip cart for my workshop, similar to the one my cousin Steve made. And I'll just wheel it out and show it to you. There it is. Just retract the landing gear, won't roll anywhere. So we've got the planer on top at the moment, and it's locked in position, and we can just unlock it, flip the whole thing over. And we have the oscillating sander now locked in position. And I added little shelves on the outside so I could put all the sanding bits and pieces that used to be on the sander. I had to find another location for them, otherwise they'd all fall out every time I turned it upside down. And I got a drawer on the bottom that's full of other sanding supplies and abrasives. So there you go. It only took me, I don't know, a couple weeks. So these are the stands that the oscillating spindle sander and the planer used to stand on. You can see how much space they took up. They've got expanded legs at the bottom and so on. So I saved a whole lot of space in my workshop, but now I have the problem of what the heck do I do with these? So I want to rehome them or give them away or something. So if anybody has a use for them, let me know. And yeah, they're available here.